Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the keycaps off your keyboard on MSI Stealth laptop. To do it, I recommend first shutting down your laptop so you don't click on anything by accident. So I think it's shut down right now. And now I'm just gonna use this tool to pry the keys with. Just go in between the keys, then pry it. And now you should be able to put your fingernail underneath, and now you can just take it off. Be careful with that and don't use too much first because you can break it, but if you do that carefully enough, it should be safe. And now I'm gonna put the key back on. You need to put it the correct orientation, then push it in until it all clicks. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.